In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the best Clubhouse Golf discount codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here you have to search for Clubhouse Golf discount codes. Right here, go to this website which is called wildo.co.uk, and as you can see right here, we have a list of different type of promotions that we can use to get some discounts. So for example, if you want to use this one with up to 50% discount, simply select the get deal option right here. And for this one, you can see there is no code required right here. All you need to do is simply sign into your Google account and continue to the website in order to get that promotion. Also, going back to our main search, we have, if you scroll down a little bit, you should be able to see this website which is called couponbirds.com, and right here you also have some promo codes. For example, if you want to get this 25% discount off your order, all you need to do is simply tap on this promotion and the promo code will show up right here. As you can see, you can tap right here to copy the promo code and apply this one on your next order to get a discount. So this is all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.